In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an author name to your blog posts on Shopify. If you've ever wondered how to better organize your content and give credit to the dedicated writers behind your posts, you're in the right place. This process is simple yet effective, and by the end of this guide, you'll be able to easily showcase the hard work of your authors on your Shopify store. Let's get started by navigating to your Shopify dashboard. Once you're there, you'll want to direct your attention to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll find a panel that contains various options for managing your store. What we're looking for is the Content section. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to another menu where you'll see the option for blog posts. Select this, and it will take you to a page that displays a list of all your previously created blog posts. Take a moment to browse through your list and find the specific blog post to which you'd like to add or update the author name. Click on the title of that blog post, and you'll be taken to a detailed view of the post settings. Now, direct your gaze to the right-hand side of the screen. Here, you'll notice a section labeled Organization. This is the area where you can manage various details regarding your blog post, helping you keep everything neatly arranged and easily accessible. Within this Organization section, you will find a field specifically for the author. You might notice that it's currently blank or has a placeholder name. To give proper credit to the author who crafted the post, click into that field. Simply type in the author's name, ensuring it's spelled correctly and appears exactly as you want it to appear to your readers. Once you've entered the author's name, double-check for any typos or errors, as this name will be publicly displayed on your blog. Once everything looks good, you're all set. There's no need for further adjustments in this section. Shopify will automatically update your blog post with the author's name, attributing the content to the correct person. And there you have it, an effective, straightforward way to add an author name to your blog posts on Shopify. This small action not only enhances the professionalism of your blog, but also shows appreciation for the creative minds behind your content. By following these simple steps, you ensure that your blog is well organized and that credit is given where it's due. Thank you for tuning in, and happy blogging!